Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily see the list of devices from which you have logged into the Telegram app from your Android device. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under this video, and also friends, write your comments, and let's get you and me started. And actually the process to see a list of these devices is very simple. To do that, open Telegram on your Android device. After that, on the top left, click on the three bars. Next, you'll need to go to Settings. And in the Settings, scroll down a little bit. Here, friends, you will see an option called Device. If you click on that, you'll see first of all, the very first device that you're currently logged into your Telegram. And also at the bottom, you'll see a list of other devices that you've logged into your Telegram from before. If you see a device here that is, let's say, outdated or one that you haven't logged in from, there may have been some kind of hack or someone may have gotten your password. And if you would like to stop such communication and device access to your Telegram, then it is easy to do so. For that, friends, you will have to click on such a device. After that, you'll need to click here so that you can stop accessing Telegram on that device. This is the very simple and quick way you can easily see all the devices from where you have logged into your Telegram on Android. I really hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.